Hi everyone, welcome back to DIY Gear. Today we will show you how to replace the rear camera on the Amazon Fire HD10 2023 model. Please check the description for the repair tools, protective gear and compatible parts. First, turn off the tablet and then proceed to remove the back cover. To remove the back cover, start by creating a gap near the charging port or along the side using a plastic picker or car pry tool. And then gently work your way around the edges to release the plastic clips securing the frame. Ensure all clips are released and then free the back cover. Next, disconnect the battery connector. Next, remove the not working rear camera from the body. First, lift the connector latch and carefully slide out the ribbon cable to disconnect the camera module. And then gently pry the rear camera from the frame. Next, place the new camera module and secure it by sliding the connector plug and locking the lever. Next, secure the battery connector. Next, turn on the device for testing. Next, align the back cover with the body, starting from the top corner. Press gently but firmly until you hear the click sound. Continue the process around the frame. Gently apply even pressure along the seams to secure all clips. Ensure all clips are secured without any gaps. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments.